Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone charging but decreasing battery. If you're using any iPhone, you're facing the issue that whenever you try to charge your iPhone still decreases your battery. So let's see how can you fix this issue. So the very first thing I recommend you how to try to change your iPhone charger and a charging cable. If you're using any third party charging adapter and charging cable, so I recommend you how to try to use original iPhone charger and charging cable. Or if you're still facing the same issues, open your settings app and here in settings, go to general, go to software update, try to update your software. After updating software, you have to simply go back, then go to battery section, select charging, and you just have to disable charging limit if you have enabled, and then just enable this toggle which is optimized battery charging. So once you have done, it will help you to fix your issue. If your issue still persist, so I recommend you how to try to close all of your recent apps. If you are using any app and your recent apps, just try to close all recent apps. Try to disable or disconnect your phone from your internet. So try to disable all the unnecessary connections from here. So once you have done, just simply make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. So just try to quickly press and reach the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed and it still persists, you have to simply open your settings app, go to battery, go to battery health, and you have to make sure that your battery health is normal and your battery maximum capacity is greater than 80%. If you find that your battery maximum capacity is lower than 85% or 80%, so I recommend you how to try to change your iPhone's battery with an original iPhone battery to fix your issue. Or if you're facing this issue after updating your iOS version, so you just have to try to downgrade your version, and after downgrading your issue must have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, or if you don't want to downgrade your versions, you have to contact the Apple Support team to get official help. So simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. Select iPhone from here, select this more option, select battery life, and here just wait for this loading, then tap on check now to check your battery diagnostics. So once your battery checking completed, just tap on the continue option here. Scroll down, look for get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.